can only show you the door. You have to walk through it.
Hello guys, welcome to the Crypto Matrix. I'm Mr. Legend. In this video, we'll be taking a look at general cryptocurrency markets. It's been a crazy week. Some altcoins are bouncing off the bottom. We're still deep in extreme fear in the cryptocurrency market. Market participants are scared on a daily time frame, on a weekly time frame, on a monthly time frame. Bitcoin, the king of the cryptocurrency market, trades around $88,000. Bitcoin currently sits around its 100-week moving average. On the all perspective, Bitcoin still looks bullish, but sentiment-wise, Bitcoin looks bearish. Market participants giving up all hope. 2025 have been a very, very crazy year for Bitcoin. We've seen Bitcoin get to new all-time highs. We've seen two crazy periods of extreme fear in the cryptocurrency market. Are we going to end the year on a banger? Are we going to see a big pump to end 2025? Take a look at general cryptocurrency market. Ethereum trades around $2,965. XRP is down. Gold has gotten to new all-time highs. Silver has gotten to new all-time highs. What's next for all coins in the cryptocurrency market? We'll talk about that and more in this video. But first, guys, an investment in knowledge pays the best interest. So when it comes to investing, nothing will pay off more than educating yourself. Do the necessary research and analysis. Before making any investment decision, let's get down to business. The year in review has been a long, crazy 2025. Right now, Zcash, AB, and Paypin, Monero are the coins in positive. It's been an up year, it's been a down year. We've seen Bitcoin rally to new all-time highs, multiple new all-time highs in 2025. We saw Bitcoin start the year just around $100,000. Bitcoin started 2025 on a very positive note. Remember Donald Trump's meme coin in the first month of 2025. We saw everything pumping to the moon. But that was short-lived, guys, because then we saw that huge dump to Goblin Town that took us to April. Trump tariffs, yada, yada, yada. The market was down 30%. Bitcoin went to as low as $74,000. But then the second half of the year saw Bitcoin pumping aggressively to new all-time highs, getting to $120,000. Even getting to as high as $125,000. The all-time high was $126,000. Then came the favorite Q4 of 2025. Now, before we go into Q4 of 2025, market participants were optimistic. We're hearing about how Q4 is the most productive time for the cryptocurrency market. We're going to continue pumping to all-time highs. I mean, for the last 180 days, when we were in October, we had seen Bitcoin rally up by 68%. And then the market went the other way. The crowd is always wrong at the extreme, and this is a perfect example of that. We saw Bitcoin going from $124,000. Bitcoin dumped to as low as $80,000. The market participants are scared. Bitcoin at $80,000 at some point in time over the last few years would have been a steal. But seeing Bitcoin trade around $120,000, then dumping 35% down to $80,000, it starts sending shivers down the spines of market participants. And right now, if you look at what sentiment is in the cryptocurrency market, last month there was fear. That was in November, there was fear. Last week there was fear. Yesterday was fear. Right now, there's still extreme fear in the cryptocurrency market. And that's been a running theme for the cryptocurrency market over the last 60 days. In the last 3 months, we have gone to all-time highs and we've swiftly gone back down to extreme fear. That's how quickly sentiments can change in the cryptocurrency market. The largest altcoin in the cryptocurrency market, Ethereum, currently trades around $2,966 in 2025. We saw Ethereum first dumping for that $4,000 level. Ethereum went to as low as $1,400 during the Trump tariff tantrum in April. And then we saw a crazy rally where Ethereum outperformed Bitcoin, going up by 254% to the upside, setting new all-time highs, getting to as high as $4,955. Right now, Ethereum trading around the $2,966 level. Ethereum is still outperforming Bitcoin from that Trump tariff dump that happened in April of 2025. And that's why, guys, I still believe we're getting very close to the end of the market cycle. We're getting very close before we see the final pump and then the dump to Goblin Town. Yes, this cycle has been very crazy. It has been very confusing. Market participants have been expecting us to pump to the moon. We've been expecting to see altcoin season, but It's been pump here, dump here, pump here, dump here. We saw the total crypto market cap finally crossing the $4 trillion level. I strongly believe we're going to see the exit pump from all these altcoins. In the end, altcoins usually pump before the big dump to gobbling town begins. And yes, altcoins have pumped here and there. We've seen Zcash have his own time in the sun. We've seen Asta, Hyper, BNB have his own time in the sun. But guys, the next few months are going to be very crucial. The total crypto market cap went from an all-time high of $4.22 trillion. Right now, the total crypto market cap sits at 100-week moving average, which is around $2.8 trillion. Total crypto market cap is down 33% from its all-time highs, which on the larger time frame perspective, it's not that bearish, but market participants are very bearish. There's a lot of talks about the bear market, how we're already starting the bear market. Content creators already making videos of how to survive the bear market. In my humble opinion, guys, I think the reverse is the case. I don't think the start of the bear market. I believe there is one rally that might send us to all-time highs, maybe a 702 retracement before we get to an all-time highs. The dump we had earlier in 2025 was a 38% dump from the all-time highs. The total crypto market cap went from $3.74 trillion to as low as $2.3 trillion. But right now, the negative sentiment is very exaggerated. The dump is not as crazy as the one we saw in April, but sentiment feels like we're down deep in gobbling town. The next few days and the next few weeks, we might see that big bounce come. Right now, a lot of market participants are caught offside. They are not holding any altcoin. They are not holding any meme coin, probably holding some Bitcoin. So imagine what will happen if the meme coin market and the altcoin market starts exploding over the next few days and the next few weeks. That will catch a lot of market participants off guard, and that will see them FOMOing back into the market. Don't be shocked, guys. That might be the telltale sign that we're getting very close to the end. I have a mantra always says, the bull market doesn't end when retail investors are in cash. The bull market ends when retail investors are all in crypto, expecting higher prices. Right now, we're extreme fear in the cryptocurrency market. I still believe we might see sentiment improve that might draw market participants back into the market. And when sentiment improve, we could easily see the total crypto market cap go to new all-time highs. There's no guarantee that we might break to new all-time highs, but in that imaginary scenario where market participants are wrong in the extreme, where they are foaming back into the market, telling themselves 2026 is going to be the greatest year of our lives, we're pumping to the moon. Because over the years, guys, one thing I learned is that sentiment in the cryptocurrency market is very fragile. The last 60 days has taught us that we can easily go from greed to extreme fear at the drop of a hat. The reverse is also the case. We can go from extreme fear to greed as a drop of a hat. Don't be shocked if by the end of Q1 of 2026, there's a difference in the cryptocurrency market. There's greed. Market participants are expecting the year to be full of life, and then the bear market starts, and then that's when we see that big dump to gobbling town. One important metrics to watch out for over the next few days and the next few weeks is going to be Bitcoin dominance. As sentiment is down right now, Ethereum is outperforming Bitcoin on the daily time frame, on the weekly time frame since April of 2025. Don't be shocked to see altcoins making a big move. A lot of these altcoins are down bad. A lot of these altcoins have been arbitrated on October 10th. We saw huge dumps in the altcoin market. Altcoins went down 40%, 50%. Some altcoins went down as low as 90% from the prices they were trading. So I'll not be shocked, guys, if just a little bounce in the altcoin market sees Bitcoin dominance dumping. Bitcoin dominance dumping tells us the strength of Bitcoin, the cryptocurrency market, and historically, Bitcoin dominance dumps at the end of the market cycle. So Bitcoin dominance dumping doesn't mean the cycle is continuing. We're going to continue pumping to the moon. Historically, what we have seen is that Bitcoin dominance dumping is altcoins having a great time, and altcoins having a great time means retail investors are back into the market. If retail investors are back into the market, then we are due a trip to gobbling town. Yes, over the last 3 years, there have been some false starts of all season. A lot of market participants, including myself, have been calling for all season, but we've seen Bitcoin dominance go from as low as 38% to a high of around 66%. But it looks like the trend has changed since the 16th of June 2025. Bitcoin dominance fell from 66%, coming back to test the 100-week moving average, which sits at around, right now, at around 58%. We saw Bitcoin dominance coming, bouncing off there. I will not be shocked, guys, for the next few days. We see Bitcoin dominance making a huge dent, dumping aggressively to gobbling town. This is not the first time it has happened. And if that happens, the altcoin market will be bubbly. Usually altcoin season doesn't last that long. 30 days, 60 days, max 90 days. And I assume in an imaginary situation where Bitcoin dominance has come to as low as maybe 50%. Starting the year on a very bright note, Bitcoin probably above $100,000, Ethereum above $5,000. We're all singing Kumbaya. 2026 is going to be the best year of our lives. Boom. And then the bear market begins. If you look at Ethereum's valuation against Bitcoin, Ethereum has been outperforming Bitcoin since it found the bottom in April of 2025. Since then, Ethereum is up a whopping 87% against Bitcoin. And historically, when Ethereum starts having this nice time against Bitcoin, outperforming Bitcoin, we're in the tail end of the market cycle. The market moves in different cycles. There's going to be bull markets, there's going to be bear markets. And the bull market is what we're always looking forward to when prices are rising in the direction we want. The bear market is what gets the bears excited when we're dumping aggressively to gobbling town. And I believe most of the gains are going to be coming from Total Tree. That's total crypto market cap excluding Bitcoin and Ethereum. I'm of the strong belief that Bitcoin's rally is done. Best case scenario, Bitcoin gets to $130,000, $140,000 from where we're currently trading right now. That's nothing to write home about compared to the moves altcoins can make. Altcoins are very volatile. Altcoins could move 30, 40, 50. Some altcoins could even move 100% in a 7-day time frame. So don't be shocked to see the altcoin market outperforming Bitcoin. Don't be shocked to see more riskier altcoins even outperforming Ethereum in the final phase of the market cycle. If you look at the altcoin season index right now, it's not good for altcoins, but if you're an altcoin holder and you want to accumulate more altcoins, this is always the best time to accumulate altcoins when we're in an altcoin, when we're in a Bitcoin season, when we're in Bitcoin months, because after a Bitcoin season, after a Bitcoin month, usually the altcoin market has its own time. You buy when we're in Bitcoin months, you sell when we're in an altcoin month, and according to the altcoin season index, we're not close to an altcoin season. But guys, as I told you guys earlier, things change quickly in the cryptocurrency market, and only those who position themselves before the moves are made always enjoy those moves. You don't want to be one of the crowd that is shouting, oh, it's pumped and I didn't buy. Oh, where should I FOMO? Which coin should I buy? Guys, most of the monies in the cryptocurrency market is made when prices are down. That's where you get good value for money. And don't use leverage. Leverage is very, very dangerous. The last 24 hours, more than 94,000 traders have been liquidated, with the total liquidation coming in around $196 million. The largest single liquidation order happened on Hyperliquid. Trader lost $14.14 million. Be careful out there, guys. You don't want to lose your hard-earned stack before that epic altcoin season comes around. And if you look at news stories around the cryptocurrency market, there's a lot of bullish sentiment around. It talks about bear market. Benjamin Cohen says Ethereum will unlikely hit a new all-time high in 2026. And just 60 days ago, he was very, very adamant that Ethereum can probably get to as high as $5,300. But extended period of extreme fear has seen a lot of influencers turning on the cryptocurrency market. But MicroStrategy is still holding strong. Bitcoin market fundamentals couldn't be better. That's what Strategy CEO has to say. Crypto sentiment hold extreme fear for 14 straight days. We're getting to record levels of extreme fear right now. Even deep in the bear market, we didn't see the crypto market skewed like this. But Bitcoin is trading around $8,000, Ethereum trading around $2,966, while the cryptocurrency market is gripped in extreme fear. The mantra is to buy low, sell high. Buy when there's extreme fear in the cryptocurrency market and sell when extreme greed returns back to the market. That's a surefire way to make money in the market. But time and time over again, when we see extreme fear, market participants are scared. They run away. Don't be one of those market participants, guys. Buy low, sell high. That's how you make money. If you're a bull, if you're a bear, you're buying high and you're selling low. If you're a bull, if you're buying high, the market will force you to sell low at some point in time in the nearest future. The meme coin market is one sector to watch out for. Right now, a lot of coins are down bad in the meme coin market. We have millions of memes in the cryptocurrency market. Before you buy any of these coins, guys, you have to do your own research. The top 10 meme coins have seen declines. Over the last 30 days, WG declines, Dogecoin, Shiba Inu, Pepe, meme coin, official Donald Trump, Bong, Poco Penguin. This cycle has been a wishy-washy cycle. We've seen meme coins pump, real assets pump, privacy coins pump. It feels like every other week we have a new narrative to go with. But guys, don't give up. The top 10 cryptocurrency by market capitalization stays the same. Ethereum, Bitcoin, Tether, BNB, XRP, USDC, Solana, Tron, Dogecoin, and Cardano makes up the top 10. Drop your thoughts in the comment section, guys. Which altcoins are you buying? Are you still optimistic for the few days we have in 2025? What's your outlook for 2026? Do you believe we're going to see the biggest bear market of our lifetimes? Are we going to see a pump to the moon? Is it going to all doom and gloom? I want to hear your thoughts about that in the comment section. Thank you guys for watching this video. Don't forget to subscribe to this channel for more awesome videos like this. Turn on the post notification to get notified anytime I drop a new video, anytime I go live. Remember guys, when it comes to investing, nothing will pay off more than educating yourself, and investment in knowledge pays the best interest. Invest for the long haul. Don't get too scared. Don't get too greedy. See you guys in my next video.
Remember, all I'm offering is the truth, nothing more.